Hello children, now in continuation to preparation of alkenes, the first video you have already seen, that is from alkyl halides, where we have studied the beta elimination reaction, which is also called as dehydrohalogenation in the previous video. Now here we will start with the second method, that is from vicinal dihalide and from alcohols. We will cover these two methods of preparation of alkenes in this video. So, first of all, we should know what is vicinal dihalide. So, di means two, halides means we are talking about haloalkanes or the compounds containing halogen, and vicinal represents the position. If supposingly you have this kind of arrangement, so it's a dihalide. Why? Because two halogens are there in this molecule. At two places bromine is present. This molecule can be, by rearranging, can be written like this also. So if we inspect and think that what is the difference between the two, then we can very well see both are having two bromine, but the position of theirs is different. Here both the bromines are on the same carbon. यहाँ पर सेकंड वाले कार्बन पे ही दोनों ब्रोमीन लगे हुए हैं और यहाँ पर आजू बाजू के कार्बन पे, ठीक है, ब्रोमीन लगे हुए हैं, यानी they are present on two different carbons in this case. So when this is the situation that halogens are two and are present on adjacent carbon, this is called as adjacent presence of halogens. Adjacent मतलब आजू बाजू में. So ये आजू बाजू के कार्बन है and they are bearing two halogens. So this is adjacent position and this is only is called as vicinal dihalide. Means when halogens are present like this arrangement is called as vicinal dihalide. And in short, it is called as VIC. It is written as VIC. Okay. On the second hand, if you see this molecule, then that is your right hand side. If you see this molecule is there, so the both halogens are present on the same carbon. Same carbon. So this situation is called as geminal dihalides. Geminal dihalides. So when both the halogens are present on the same carbon, this situation is called as geminal and it is represented in short as GEM, that is gem. So I hope vicinal dihalide we wanted, but together I told you the geminal also because these are the two types of dihalides. So we will have to talk for the preparation of alkenes from this one. So just see, it's very easy. What has to be done is dihalides which have two halogen atoms which are attached actually to the adjacent carbon atoms are known as vicinal dihalides. This is the definition of vicinal dihalide I already told. Now these vicinal dihalides when get treated with zinc metal, let us write the reaction. So this is the molecule CH2, CH2 bearing Br and Br like this. Okay, these Br can be written by the sides of the carbon also, no problem, but as we will be removing these halogens from the carbon, that is why I have written them like this. When they react with zinc, right, they will be forming alkenes. How? What is going to happen in presence of this zinc? These two bromine will go and join this zinc and a byproduct will be formed, that is ZnBr2. So zinc here is abstracting the halogens. So as the removal of halogen is taking place, what is happening? One valency of this carbon and one valency of this carbon will be free, and due to which this molecule will have a double bond. So this is how by the removal of halogens alkenes are formed. So this is ethene molecule which is formed. And one very important thing is, as from this molecule 2 halogens are removed, so this is actually dehalogenation. You can name this process as dehalogenation. In the previous videos I have told you the meaning of De is minus. So we are removing halogens, that is why we can very well call it as dehalogenation. So I hope dehalogenation, or you can say preparation of alkenes from vicinal dihalides, is clear to you. Now let's see the third method in the sequence, that is preparation of alkenes from alcohols. This is also very, very important. We are going to prepare alkenes from alcohols. Now, before you study this method, you should be very clear with the beta elimination reaction, which you have already studied. That was the first method when you have studied how to prepare alkenes from alkyl halide. There you have studied, because the same mechanism is going to be used over here also. So let's see how from alcohol alkenes can be prepared. So let us take an alcohol. Supposingly I have taken ethyl alcohol. So the formula of ethyl alcohol is CH3 CH2OH. So there is a motive behind writing alcohol like this, which you will understand later on with the explanation. So I have already told the carbon which bears the functional group is called as alpha carbon. वो कार्बन जिस पे functional group जुड़ा होता है वो अल्फा कार्बन है. उसके बाजू वाले कार्बन को हम बीटा बोलते हैं, और इस बीटा कार्बन पे जो हाइड्रोजन है वो बीटा हाइड्रोजन होते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ व्हेन अल्कोहल अंडरगोज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिहाइड्रेशन, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड कि हाइड्रोजन और OH को ऐसे नीचे लगा के लिखने का मकसद ये है कि यू कैन विजुअलाइज कि दिस इज हाउ वाटर विल बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम दिस अल्कोहल मॉलिक्यूल. सो यहाँ हो क्या रहा है, दिस इज डिहाइड्रेशन टेकिंग प्लेस. एल्कीन्स बनाने के लिए अल्कोहल्स का क्या किया, डिहाइड्रेशन, पानी हटा दिया है. सो व्हेन यू विल रिमूव वाटर, this will take place in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid followed by heating. So as you require acid also, and the process is dehydration, this method is also called as acidic dehydration. Acidic dehydration method of preparation of alkenes from alcohols, or you can say alcohols are undergoing acidic dehydration to prepare the alkene. Now see, similarly as you have removed here bromine and then you got double bond, the same case is here. Why I said it is similar to the beta elimination? Because elimination is taking place. Water remove हो रहा है, eliminate हो रहा है, और जो हाइड्रोजन लेकर जा रहा है वो बीटा कार्बन से है. ठीक है, इसीलिए हम इसे बीटा एलिमिनेशन भी कह सकते हैं. सो यू कैन कंसीडर दिस रिएक्शन एज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बीटा elimination reaction. Okay, so the H from the beta carbon and OH from the alpha carbon will be removed, and then what you are left with, actually this is the thing, as one valency of this will be free and here also one valency will be free, which will eventually develop a double bond. So these were the two methods. Although opposite of this reaction is also possible. हम अल्कोहल से पानी निकालकर एल्कीन बना सकते हैं, और साइमल्टेनियसली इस एल्कीन में वापस हाइड्रेशन करके, यानी वापस पानी डालकर वापस अल्कोहल भी बना सकते हैं. ये दोनों ही रिएक्शन हमें 12th में फिर से हैं विथ मैकेनिज्म in the chapter alcohol phenols and ethers. So this is something which is important and you should remember it well. So I hope this is clear. In this video we have covered how to prepare alkenes from vicinal dihalides and alkenes from alcohol. So this is ethene which you have prepared from ethanol. So a question can be asked, how can you prepare ethene from ethanol, or how ethanol can be converted into ethene? So these type of reactions, they form or they give you the base of the interconversion reactions. So I hope this much is clear. Thank you for watching.